Greetings, Earthlings!
Daddy! I'm so glad you're back. I wanted to make a birdhouse, but it turned out to be a crow's house.
Would you live in such an ugly house yourself?
I thought it would do for the birds.
Let's go to my workshop and do it right!
Zabezoo's dad is jack of all trades because he's a genius astronaut. He knows how to do everything.
What a beautiful birdhouse you made.
They like the house. Now we too will have birds singing.
The birds were thrilled with the new house, and Zabezoo and her parents were delighted with the new, beautiful singing.